Welcome to day 46 of Learn to Lead in 100 Days. Wishing you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. May all your dreams come true. When new year begins, many people will be wanting to do a lot of things to be successful. Don't just be a dreamer, be a doer. Let me give you some tips which you can think of implementing to start your year with new hopes. Follow a good sleeping pattern. Don't sleep less, don't sleep more. Sleep according to your age and your health. Stick to your timelines of your sleeping cycle so you get habituated and you will not be struggling to sleep anymore. Plan your work in a day. Even if you don't have the habit of planning, start with your daily activities continuously for 2 weeks and you will feel more organized. Don't give in to temptation to please your taste buds and challenge your health. Home cooked foods are always the best. So this year, take a resolution that you're going to concentrate on your health by taking care of your food choices. Get ready to sweat. Even if you don't want to pay for the membership in a gym, see whether you can get into the habit of walking, Zumba, or dancing crazily behind the closed door. Help others when needed. Even if you cannot help anyone financially, see if you can give a physical support for somebody who are in need. Spending some time in old age home with senior citizens can also be a good choice. With these, spending time with family, spending time with friends, meditation, reading books, practicing self-care, and start cooking your own meal can be a game changer. When you want different results, you need to change your actions. Same actions, same results. Different actions, different results. Wishing you all the best. Follow me for the next days. Learn to Lead in 100 Days. I'm your coach, Rosia Inkuti. Many dreams can be achieved when you cultivate the habit of learning. I'm on a learning challenge for 100 days under the title Learn to Lead in 100 Days, where I will be sharing my knowledge for free. Subscribe to my channel to start your learning journey.